Yes, sir.
Utkarsa, how many alphabets are there?
Sir, 26.
How many vowels are there?
Sir, 5.
How many consonants are there?
There are 21 consonants.
Yes, that's great. How many types of sentences?
There are 4 types of sentences.
How many types of parts of speech?
There are 8 parts of speech.
What is noun?
Noun is naming word.
What is pronoun?
Pronoun is replacing word.
What is verb?
Word is action word.
In which tense we use first form of verb?
Sir, present simple.
भाई thumbs up दे दे छोटी सी बच्ची को. When do we use second form of verb?
Sir, past simple.
When do we use will plus first form of verb combination?
Sir, repeat that.
In which tense we use will plus first form of verb?
Sir, future simple.
देख लो भाई. In which tense we use is or actioning?
Sir, present continuous.
Yes, मेरा बच्चा. In which tense we use was or actioning?
Sir, past continuous.
How? Future continuous में क्या use होता है फिर?
Sir, will be.
Will be plus?
Actioning.
Wow! I am speaking English. This is present continuous, past continuous, or future continuous?
Sir, present continuous.
Oh, that's great. Thank you so much. So cute. So nice of you. And thanks to your parents also कि उन्होंने आपको मुझे पढ़ाने के लिए दिया बेटा. God bless you.